Hi guys, welcome to another recipe video. This time we're gonna do something special. It's made with cabbage and ground beef. It's a very special recipe for me and Nicole because first of all it was from a lady that we love very much. It was like a second mother to us, Miss Menard. It was her recipe. You're gonna see it's really good. It's simple to make, it's very fast, and you have everything in it. You have potato and everything. The only thing we don't put in it's mushroom, but depending on your taste you can add it, that's for sure. But the thing is, if you don't like meat, well, just don't put the meat in and just add some more of everything that you like. So guys, let's go and see what happens, and I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna try it, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.